Hi, this is Karen with WTI. OImaster Monitor Stand Riser. I really enjoy how it rises my computer to my eye level, so I feel like my neck is not constantly struggling. And also this little compartment where I can store a little of my paper clips or sticky notes, which actually also work as a phone holder. I love options, especially when I'm working. I love to have options in regarding the way I put my phone, if I'm charging it, if I'm using it, or if I want to put my sticky notes, or I want to use my tablet in a horizontal way or in a vertical way. I love this stand riser. It gives me so many options. If I need to charge any of my devices, I can charge them right then and there. Another thing that I really love is there is so much space underneath that I can store away my keyboard and the mouse whenever I'm not using them. It has such a really nice, clean look. So whenever I'm working, I feel like everything is in place, that everything has a really clean look, that everything is organized. So I feel like everything can flow. And that's my point of view.